I always see smaller creators complaining about how YouTube doesn't really help them grow, and I've got a little known secret for you guys. YouTube actually wants to promote your videos, and why wouldn't they? The more eyes they get on your videos, the more money they end up making. Did you also know that you can actually help YouTube promote your videos? All you have to do is set your channel keywords correctly. What's going on, everyone? My name is Noble. I'm a lifelong gamer, and my goal here is to help gamers start, optimize, grow, and monetize their own channels and streams. Before we get set up with keywords, you actually need to know what keywords are and how they work. YouTube channel keywords are similar to video tags, but for your entire channel. They are terms that give YouTube information about the types of videos typically found on your channel. Optimized channel keywords can also help increase the visibility of your channel on YouTube. YouTube takes things like channel keywords, your channel description, which is also known as your channel about section, which we've actually made a video for, and if you haven't checked that out, there'll be an icon popping up on the top right of your screen right now. They also take the types of videos that you make and your channel category to help figure out what kind of content your channel produces. Now, choosing the right channel keywords for your channel is simple. All you need to do is ask yourself what or who your channel is meant for. What are the people you're targeting and searching for whenever they search on your channel? So, for example, if your channel name was something like DudeBro Plays WarZone, you might want to add things like WarZone, video games, WarZone Season 6 event, best WarZone loadout, and how to win in WarZone. Now, you should notice that I've used both single word and multi-word terms. It's important to know that keywords should be separated by commas, and terms that have more than one word should be used in quotes. Now, there's a reason for this. So these common terms are a good indicator of what people are searching for, and if you add them in quotes, YouTube knows to share your video with people that are searching for those terms. If YouTube sees multi-word keywords, they'll just be searching for keywords that are matching yours. So for example, whenever you're using WarZone Season 6 event as a keyword, YouTube will search for just WarZone Season 6 event. But if you use something like, quote, best WarZone loadout, end quote, YouTube will search and help share your content to people who are searching for things like best WarZone loadout AR or best WarZone loadout sniper. So now that you know how YouTube channel keywords work, it's time to make changes to the ones you already have or add some for the very first time. Now, before we move on to that part, I should also mention that you shouldn't spam keywords here. Having 7 to 10 keywords or terms is a good spot to land on. Having too many channel keywords can muddy the way that YouTube tries to share your content, and adding too many may suggest to YouTube that you don't actually know who your target audience is. Therefore, if you have too many keywords here, YouTube may not suggest your content to anyone at all. I understand this can be a problem for anyone who hasn't taken the time to try to narrow down who they're making content for, so please take your time with this and really think about who and why you're making your own content. This will help you come up with your keywords. So the only thing that's left to do is put your keywords onto your channel, and I'll be using my channel as an example for this. Alright, so here we are on my channel. This isn't going to take very long here. All you have to do is make sure that you're signed into your channel. Click on your icon on the top right and go to YouTube Studios. After that page loads in, over on the left hand column, you can scroll down to settings, and then on settings, scroll one down to channel, and this will bring you to your basic info. Now on this page, you've got your country of residence and then your keywords. Go ahead and add your keywords here. I'm going to go ahead and do that for myself real quick. Keep in mind, around 7 to 10 keywords or phrases is really the best place to stop. Alright, you guys, so I have put mine in. Now, a whole bunch of mine are more terms than they are keywords, but again, it's going to be different for everyone. So I've put in here tutorials, how to, YouTube partner program, Twitch affiliate, because that is my goal here, trying to get you guys to hit that affiliate or the monetization point here on YouTube or on Twitch. Then we've also got YouTube tips, Twitch tips, gamers, because that's who I'm trying to help out the most, and then how to start streaming and how to grow on YouTube. Now, these may all seem like good terms that you might be able to use, but again, be very specific. If you are not intentionally creating tutorials or doing things that would fall under these categories, do not use these terms, because it can muddy the way that YouTube looks at your channel and may not help you out at all. It may actually hurt your channel if you're not actually creating that sort of content. So that's pretty much it. Once you've got all of your keywords in here, I think I chose 8, maybe 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 9 in here. Again, you want to keep it between 7 and 10. Actually, I'm going to add a 10th one, and it's something that I forgot to write in my notes. I always do my best to put your own channel name in anywhere that you can. This is going to help your SEO whenever your name comes up. So right now, if you search my name, I'm the first thing that pops up for YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, Facebook, some of the other things that I've worked on before. So I always make sure to put my name out there so that whenever people do search for my name, everything pops up. That is important. So we actually do have 10 here. So I'd also suggest doing that for yourself. Put your name in there, probably as one of your first keywords, and then add your other 6 to 9 keywords after that. So whenever you're done with that, all you gotta do is click on save. And that's pretty much it. From here on out, as long as you're creating those types of videos, YouTube will actually help push your video to people that are searching for those types of terms. Hopefully this helps you guys out. If you found this useful or informative in any way, please let me know down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I guess that's it. If you guys have any more questions that you want me to cover specifically, whether it be on YouTube or on Twitch right now, please leave those down in the comments as well. I love taking a look at how things work in the background. Trying to help you guys out as well is one of my favorite things to do. And we'll be back next week with another actionable tip. And until then, we'll see you guys on the next video.